Channel glass is often associated with vertical applications, but installing it horizontally creates a distinctive different architectural expression. This orientation introduces new opportunities for pattern, proportion, and the interplay of light and translucency. At Atelier 505 in Boston, 15-foot tall horizontal channel glass units surround the mechanical penthouse and transform a functional building element into a luminous feature that glows at night. At Schimmerhorn House in Brooklyn, a horizontal unitized channel glass system provides a lightweight facade solution for a building constructed over a subway line. As an alternative to heavier stone or metal cladding, the Bendheim system provides visual continuity, diffused daylight, and privacy. Whether installed horizontally or vertically, Bendheim channel glass systems balance architectural expression with performance and long-term durability. For more information, visit bendheim.com.